Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 18 July 2018, 19 of hour, 12 of minute and 25 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how much does it cost to replace a thermostat in a car? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how much does it cost to replace a thermostat in a car. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about how much does it cost to replace a thermostat in a car. The average cost for a thermostat replacement is between $86 and $313. Labor costs are estimated between $61 and $200, while parts are priced between $25 and $113. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.